Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, we are going to be showing you how to fix Lloyds Bank application crashing on your Android device. If your Lloyds Bank online banking account is crashing on your Android device and you are not being able to get started with the app, then the process is quite easy. Let's go ahead and try to fix the issue step by step. The first thing to do is to restart the application. From your Android device, tap on the little hamburger menu at the bottom left corner. This will then bring up the app switcher for your applications that are running on the background. Simply go ahead and force close the application by pushing off the app card upward. Once you close off the application running on the background, the next thing to do is to look for available update for your Lloyds online banking app. Launch open your Play Store from your Android phone and go to the search box at the top and type in Lloyds. Once you get to this search result, look for this application that says Lloyds Bank mobile banking app and then look for an update button if available on the page. If you see an update button, simply tap on update to download the necessary updates for your Lloyds Bank application. If there is no update button available, it means you have already installed the latest version. So once you are done with the latest version update, you might be able to fix your issue. If the problem still persists, you should consider trying to restart your device. Restart your Android device and then go back to your Lloyds Bank application and try to relaunch the app. If the problem still continues, then you will need to clear the app cache and data from your application. Go and tap open the settings application from your app drawer, and from the settings menu, scroll down and tap on apps. From the list of the applications downloaded on your smartphone, scroll down and look for Lloyds Bank. Simply tap on the application and this will open up the app info page, from where simply select storage. Tap on the clear cache and the clear data button at the bottom of the screen. Once you clear data and clear cache for your Lloyds Bank application, restart the application by launching it open. If you follow these steps mentioned in the video, you will then be able to fix Lloyds Bank online banking application crashing on your Android phone. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.